Welcome everyone. Today I'm showing you how to achieve a flawless full coverage makeup look without using foundation. This tutorial is perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a new makeup application technique. Let's begin. First thing, after moisturizing, use a pore filling primer to blur out any imperfections. I am using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Apply it evenly across your face, focusing on areas where you have large pores or texture. Now let's move on to concealer. Choose a high coverage concealer that matches your skin tone. Apply it under your eyes, around your nose, and on any blemishes or spots you want to cover. Blend it out with a brush first before using a beauty blender for a seamless finish. The key here is to use a small amount and build up coverage where needed. Using Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand to add some definition back to the face. Apply it to the hollows of your cheeks, temples, and jawline and blend it out. Next, you are going to brighten the center of the face using a concealer 2 shades lighter. Blend it out with a brush first, then use a beauty blender for a flawless finish. To set everything in place, use a translucent setting powder, using a powder puff first under the eyes, then follow up with a brush for the other areas. I'm only focusing on the center of the face and under where I applied the contour. This will help your makeup last longer and prevent creasing. Next, I use a translucent setting powder that is one shade darker to set the areas where I applied the contour. Then apply a hydrating setting spray to minimize the appearance of the powder. Then add blush to the apples of your cheeks for a healthy pop of color. For the eyes, I kept it simple with a neutral eyeshadow palette. I applied a darker bronze shade all over the lid and a lighter shade at the inner section and blend. Then I applied a darker shade in the crease and blend it out using back and forth motion. I also use the same shade to smudge out the lower lash line. Apply mascara to both top and bottom lashes.
Cure for the air conditioning blues. Could use some too.
Going over the perimeter of the face with powder bronzer. And blush to intensify the color on the cheeks. Then apply Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder for an airbrush finish. To complete the eyes, I lined it and created a subtle wing. Less brown to line the lips. And hourglass lip gloss on top. I also use the same Makeup Forever pencil to line the lower lash line. I set the entire face with Charlotte Tilbury setting spray so that it lasts the entire day. Highlighting is optional but highly recommended for that extra glow. Apply a subtle highlighter to the high points of the face, such as the cheekbone and the bridge of the nose. And there you have it, a full coverage look without using foundation. Subscribe for more makeup tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you would like to see. Bye.